Welcome to Improve Instantly. In today's video, we're diving into breath awareness meditation, how to practice. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, enhance your emotional well-being, or simply find a calming meditation practice, this video will provide you with the tools and insights you need to succeed. We're here to help you overcome common obstacles to meditation and achieve your goals with practical, actionable advice. Stay tuned till the end for a quick actionable cheat sheet on breath awareness meditation. Understanding breath awareness meditation is crucial for improving your mental and emotional well-being. Many people struggle with stress and anxiety, which can negatively impact their overall health. For instance, studies have shown that regular meditation can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. By focusing on breath awareness, you can calm your mind, improve your concentration, and enhance your overall quality of life. This section will explore why addressing these issues is essential and how it can lead to significant positive changes in your life. 8 essential tips for practicing breath awareness meditation. Tip 1. Find a quiet space. This tip helps you create a conducive environment for meditation. For example, choose a quiet room where you won't be disturbed, which can help you focus better and achieve deeper relaxation. Tip 2. Sit comfortably. Implementing this will ensure you can meditate without discomfort. It's particularly useful for maintaining your focus during the practice. Sit in a chair or on the floor with your back straight and hands resting on your knees. Tip 3. Close your eyes. Here's why this is important for reducing distractions. Consider how closing your eyes can help you turn your attention inward and become more aware of your breathing. Tip 4. Focus on your breath. This approach helps you anchor your mind. By using this strategy, you can stay present and avoid getting lost in thoughts. Pay attention to the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your nostrils or the rise and fall of your chest. Tip 5. Breathe naturally. By applying this, you can maintain a relaxed and effortless meditation. Think of it as a way to observe your breath without trying to control it. Let your breathing flow naturally and notice its rhythm. Tip 6. Bring your mind back when it wanders. This tip will assist you in maintaining focus. An example of this could be gently guiding your attention back to your breath whenever you notice your mind has wandered. It's normal for thoughts to arise, and bringing your focus back is part of the practice. Tip 7. Practice regularly. It's crucial for developing a consistent meditation habit. This method can help you experience the cumulative benefits of meditation. Aim for at least 5-10 minutes a day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Tip 8. Be patient with yourself. Incorporating this will help you stay committed to your practice. This technique is great for managing expectations and avoiding frustration. Remember that meditation is a skill that improves with time and practice. Overcoming common challenges. Even with the best tips, challenges can arise. Common obstacles include restlessness, impatience, and difficulty concentrating. For example, you might find it hard to sit still or keep your mind from wandering. To tackle these, consider practicing shorter sessions initially, using guided meditations, and setting a regular meditation schedule. Addressing these issues head-on will ensure you make consistent progress and achieve your goals more effectively. Restlessness. Start with shorter sessions and gradually increase the duration. Impatience. Focus on the benefits and remind yourself that progress takes time. Difficulty concentrating. Use guided meditations or meditation apps to help maintain focus. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Breath awareness meditation. Find a quiet space. Choose a quiet room where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably. Sit with your back straight and hands resting on your knees. Close your eyes. Reduce distractions by closing your eyes. Focus on your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of your breath. Breathe naturally. Observe your breath without trying to control it. Bring your mind back when it wanders. Gently refocus on your breath. Practice regularly. Aim for at least 5–10 minutes a day. Be patient with yourself. Remember that meditation improves with practice. Conclusion. To wrap up, remember that breath awareness meditation is all about finding a moment of calm and focus in your daily life. Incorporate these tips into your routine to see real improvements in your mental and emotional well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.